Dear students, today we will study chapter The French Revolution, फ्रांसीसी क्रांति। The French Revolution is a landmark in the history of Europe and the world. It ended the monarchical system in France. The slogan of French Revolution, liberty, freedom and equality, became important ideas of the new era. French society during the late 18th century. In 1774, 20 years old Louis of Bourbon family became the king of France. He was married to the Austrian princess Mary Antoinette, हिंदी में आंतो आंत in Hindi. Due to long years of war, the maintenance of an extravagant court at the place, he got an empty treasury. Louis XVI also helped 13 American colonies to gain their independence from Britain. The war added more than 1 billion leverage to the debt of more than 2 billion leverage debt. Then the lenders began to change in interest of 10% on loans to meet the expenses like maintain army court, etc. The state was forced to increase the taxes. But this measure was not sufficient as only members of the third estate paid taxes. In France, the three states of France at that time were फ्रांस की क्रांति के पीछे अनेक कारण थे, अनेक रीजन थे। उनमें एक प्रमुख था, अमेरिका में ब्रिटेन की 13 बस्तियां थी। वह ब्रिटेन से मुक्त होने के लिए संघर्ष कर रही थी। ऐसे में फ्रांस ने उनकी सैनिक और आर्थिक सहायता की। परिणाम स्वरूप फ्रांस का खजाना खाली हो गया, जिससे वहाँ की जनता बड़ी परेशान थी। उस खजाने को भरने के लिए जनता पर और अधिक टैक्स लगाने की प्रक्रिया प्रारंभ हुई। इससे जनता नाराज हो गई और जो बाद में चल के फ्रांस की क्रांति का कारण बना। There are 3 states in France in that time. First state, the clergy. Clergies were the group of persons invested with special functions in the church. They enjoyed certain privileges by birth, like exemption from paying taxes or free from paying taxes to the state. Further, the church levied a tax called tithe from the peasant, which comprised of 1/10 of the agricultural produce. उपज का 10% चर्च कर लगाता था। Clergy, like a saint in our religion. Second state, the nobility. In constituted of rich aristocratic people of the state, they also enjoyed the privilege of exception from paying taxes to the state. They also enjoyed feudal privileges, feudal dues which they extract from the peasant.